Ka jingdan kislam ajing hikai ka ajing mentoy ya kisamla wat kam wat ya balarang ba batru ban ya lam nanti ya kisamla ki ba angnot ban trei ban kata bat ha ka arpusau tre ujellio arja arpusau ka Bosco Integrated Development Society kala penlong ya ka program Entrepreneurs Meet ringkat ka pang pedeng ban ya trei lang ban penyar ya ka jing trei ban ai man siem bat ban nang ban wanra jingkela Haka jo kapor haka nega program la pen ko buram ru ya nyongot ki bala pendap jing pule haki course ki ba pair ki ba tang da ki banai hendrai ki bala la ban yeng halaki jong ki kejat. Haka nega sngi la ya don lang u rector ka Don Bosco Technical School u Father Saji u executive director ka BITS u Father James Terniang Father Shining Kar principal ka Don Bosco Technical School Shillong u Sri Mangge Ram director Khadi Village Industrial and Commission Earning Stone R. Sangma, Assistant Manager, District Industrial and Commerce Meghalaya, Janak Preet Singh, Senior Associate Livelihood Nespas, ki nohikai, ki kena puli bat kiwe. Habakran ka negasngi u principal ka Don Bosco Technical School, Father Shining Kar ulapan pau ka jing kemen na ka benta kini gi nyongot, ki bala pendap jing puli na ka nega school, bat ki bala la ban yeng halaki jong ki gejat, ula ai kublai ya ki nohikai, ki balong ki nong lam lenti ya ki kena training, ban pet ya ka lawai da ka jing slur, bat jing kermen ya ka babha. Da ka bapen kan mau baka Sorkar ka sngotu ya ka jing bamla ban ai kam ya Baroh Hendrai ka Plie lat Plie lenti pat da ki Skhim baper ban sedang ya la ka jong ka kam.
In a very special way, I welcome the entrepreneurs who have been invited in a very special way to share the story with us. We thank you for having accepted the invitation and we welcome you to this gathering. I welcome the team of BITS who are organizing this event, the teachers, and in a very special way, dear students who are gathered here this morning for this special event. In a very special way, let me extend a warm welcome to Dari Kupal, thank you, Chiganti Marak, Batan Shine Thomni, Habanda Job, Sharaidin, and K11 Manda, and K11 team who have come here to share the story with us. You have been invited here for us to acknowledge your achievement. And we are here to listen to your stories. Our wish is that through this event, through your stories, creative energy, synergy could be created. And through your stories, the young minds who are sitting here, the students, may be enthused to venture to a world of entrepreneurship. That is our dream and our wish. We know the government of Meghalaya has taken initiative in a big way to encourage the young people to venture into entrepreneurship. For the reason that is obvious, that the government will not be able to provide employment to all the young people who are ready, who are employable. Therefore, the government, realizing its limit, has resourced fund for entrepreneurship, encouraging young people to come up with creative initiative to stand on their own feet and to contribute to the economy of the state. And we have here examples, 6, 7 of them, entrepreneurs have come here, examples for us to look at them, who have begun from the grassroots level. And we really appreciate you, because to begin something involves risk, and you have taken risk. I'm sure all of you have taken risk to begin something new, which many don't dare. For that, we appreciate you. And let our gathering this morning, let us share this morning, spark a spirit of entrepreneurship, especially on the students who are listening here. Students, dear students, you are here acquiring skills, to have tools in your hand, basic tools, so that you are equipped. Once you are qualified and certified, you go out to the world and start your own. Start your own so that you could build your own dream and contribute to the growth of society. Once again, I also welcome Father Cyril, Assistant Director of BITS, who have come to join this event. Welcome, dear Father. Once again, a hearty welcome to all of you. May this event inspire each one of us to learn, to dream, and to grow. All the best and have a pleasant day. Thank you.
Nakaliang Shillong Mail ula yo ru banya kran bat ki kat tu kat ningot ban sngap naki ke ke bakila yat Lyngba ban poi syakane ke jing sedang.
Ni pol buka asin menekok tak sebenarnya sih nama nam cakli no nanti yang tadi kan wall dia kata ru kam sekian mengai besar di dan ni dengan lo ibe ni kai ba sih mana dia menekok seminggu play pada yang lama berkunjung mat play ke ihok department ke belakang snow hari mengadam dengan petang sini karena ni keadaan besku Ani dan besku dan kalau school berdalam yang kecilnya di Jongan, nalu bakal kerja dengan training nanti nak buat institute. Kerja Jongan ada di Kyrwoh Norway National Sorkar Skhim District. Ngalapas ada training Jongan nanti nak buat dan besku, ada kat project generally ada cara aku ada trip specialized. Hasil pengakuan training nanti ada ibu bukan sesuatu dengan chef dia. Lyngba dengan orang cukup kalau cuma dan kunjung dan beberapa cukup itu. Di pada ini contoh lockdown ngelawan no aku tadi ke training kepada dia dan besku house name ada cara aku dan adin contoh training acara aku pada hari acara Plie ngalah dia bermaksud dia kiki contoh kumpulan transfer naisba teli. But untuk ya ki wedding ki anniversary ki Kyrwoh aku tak terdekat buat jadi customer. Di hau nai March ada cara apply ngala register dia po FSSAI banjo ya kacai sejalan con dia po snap Sorkar. Di hakasan dari September ada cara apply ngalayo kan Plie kabibaki training center kepada nanti po Sorkar di Skhim district.
Karteng kesyaragin chanpuru bat masyong asa aksyong sarang baha opo ka berempong si an adi blok ti ngawan training hani ha usnan arajar abuwe jong ka tailoring bat adin kata ngade fashion designer usnan arajar abu ar November bat hadu arajar apply umi ti mas ndet ya ka training dengan lasdang ya kamadi dia po yo berempong lasdang berarti hidupan bat ya menta kakam junga ka baterai kadang-kadang ya cakmat bat ngakar men hiru bakan ya cakmat
industri but punta pagana kamu balik dengan school so warna sedang ini kamu balik ring mesin pun juga nomor di Baroh ki bersama pada kuat bat saya ngajak kamu alam kita bijine kita ki bijine di shifting kin wan marpi rai full blade mat boleh dalam FI not kita hak suap lagi bro boleh mat kita jam Baroh itu saya
Kerteng cuma pada kapan dah jauh sensiong, bat cuma saat mau pulang, bat ngadan kali mereka mau tren ada untuk mau pulang ni, malah ya ketika mobile repairing, electronics pada lokal repairing, nasional ngadir di kitar laj, ini kitar kebaya deh bat mobile, bat mengasang yang ini kam deh hau, senem ajar kue kita. Sedang kacing pelong jangan bangan sedang ini kampanye mencoba rendang dan ada ni kacing kuat jangan long pasien jangan bangan sedang bisnes dan rai kedai abang ala depas ada bisa bitek jangan bangan kacing bomi okam ko jangan pelong yang apa bangan kue sedang ni kan bat minta ngalas sedang bat kijing di bang itu ka banding kau kade nomor ba kajik sedang jangan kalau kebarit palat kan mau kor mengasang kau kade nampak kala tak ko hajar kita mengasang ini ka mobile repairing kan bat kedukan ke mengadon pergi pemot kelong kam setendong kemudian dan rei ngasnat mendapat tolong ngasat tolong adin sibrai ngalak manyo maraka ngalak banyo aka location ku belakang biang belum terus bat minta long suki tolong ngalak ban penhek penkiu kendiat kat ba ngalak mo
Habatin pej bahagi kishap plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi ban ai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lyngba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.